So imagine that you and a group of people are at the bottom of a big, huge mountain, right? I'm talking about gigantic mountain. And every last one of y'all is scared of heights. But something in you says, you know what? I want to climb this mountain. I want to see what's at the top. What do you think everybody around you is going to tell you? No, it's a bad idea. You shouldn't do it. Don't go, it's not safe, right? But something in you is saying, I still want to go. So you go. And you got a few people that come with you. Why? Because they love you. But at a certain point, they're going to stop. They're going to say, wait, I can't do this, because what's in you is not in them. They're going to look up at you and say, hey, I tried this and it didn't work. You should come back down. Why? Because what is meant for you is not meant for everybody. And people are only telling you how they feel based off of their perception and their understanding of your mountain. But as you go up your mountain, you will realize you have a view that is unbelievable. And how could you understand how beautiful that view is from the bottom of the mountain? As you go up the mountain, you realize you can do this. Everything you thought when you was at the bottom, no longer reality as you climb your way to the top, because you have a different mindset, you have a different viewpoint. You have a different experience than you did when you first started. But those who are at the bottom, who never did it before, they don't have that same experience. So they will tell you everything that they currently see and that they currently understand. Every single day you don't live out your purpose, every day you don't climb your mountain because of everybody else around you, is a day that you are missing out on the experience that is meant for you. You're missing out on a view that is meant for you. You're missing out on a purpose that is meant for you. Do not let people stop you from climbing up your mountain because of their viewpoint.